smelt fish and eggs.
How to prepare smelt fish and eggs as a tasty appetizer. First, fried smelt fish in cooking oil. Smelt are unique and fun to eat since you may consume the entire fish, including the backbone and fins. They are merely gutted, rinsed, battered, and then fried. Crispy fried smelt fish are tasty and easy to make. They are delicious and crunchy, making them a great appetizer or quick meal. In addition, we enjoy giving them a lemon wedge. Chili flakes for some heat. Also very effective are fresh, chopped herbs like parsley and dill and shredded cheese. Smelt are 4 to 7 inches long, seeming to be built for the frying pan, and are simple to eat whole thanks to their delicate skin and soft bones.